Hello and welcome to McLaren Port Huron's Today's Health Program. I'm your host, Michelle Baker. Today we'll be talking about the extensive cancer services available at the Barbara Ann Karmanos Cancer Institute at McLaren Port Huron. Joining me is McLaren Port Huron's President and CEO, Jennifer Montgomery. Jennifer, thank you for speaking with us today.
Thanks for having me.
Now, I understand that the Karmanos Cancer Center is open and treating patients at McLaren Port Huron. Can you tell us why this is so significant for the members of this community?
Yes, this is really a big win for the community. In St. Clair County, over the last 15 years, there has been an increase of about 6% in cancer diagnoses, and about 60% of those patients leave the county to seek treatment. Now that we have the cancer center here in town, they'll be able to have treatment here. Additionally, I'm not sure that the community knows, but the Karmanos Cancer Institute is one of 2 NCI designated cancer treatment places in Michigan. There are only 45 in the country, and this is the highest ranking cancer designation you can have.
Wow, what a benefit for the members of our community. Now, I understand that this project was part of a larger construction project that started back in 2015. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yes, now that the Cancer Center is up and running, we've moved on to the phase 2 of the project, which is the construction of the patient tower. This is a 4-story building that's going at the south end of campus. That will give us a brand new emergency room. It will also have an expanded ICU with all the latest equipment, and then 2 med-surg units. Additionally, we will have 4 brand new ORs for our physician and staff to work in.
And when is it projected that this tower will be completed?
The hope is the tower will be completed late 2018.
Wow, that's great. Now, how are these construction projects being funded?
So back in 2015, when we began the projects, we went to the McLaren Healthcare Board and presented what we thought the community needed here. And the board actually agreed with us and agreed to help fund us. And so then we took it to the Port Huron Local Board, and they also thought this was a great use of money. So it will be financed through the Healthcare Corporation.
Now, there's been a lot of community support for this project. Can you give us an example of the impact that this support has had?
Yes, locally, you know, the $162 million is great for us, but it's the little things we do for patients, and we use the local funds for that. So as you go through the patient tower, once it's completed, and in the Karmanos Center, you'll see plaques where local people have donated money, maybe in remembrance of somebody or on behalf of a family. We also do several fundraisers throughout the year, including our golf outing and our Festival of Trees.
Now, how are we staffing the Karmanos Cancer Center?
So the Karmanos Cancer Center brought some new jobs to the community. We had to add radiation oncologists, and you'll be seeing Dr. Frazier, Dr. Bott, and Dr. Johnson. Additionally, there's some old faces there that have been in our community providing cancer care for quite a while. Dr. Alsawa, Dr. Lull, and Dr. Hanna are medical oncologists. And then there is a director of radiation services that's from the corporation, and then we've added a dosimetrist and a physicist.
Wow, sounds exciting.
Yes.
Jennifer, this has been great information. Do you have any closing comments for our viewers?
You know, I would welcome our viewers to come see what's going on at McLaren Port Huron. There's lots of new things here. There's great areas for patients and families now, and it's just a really great time for the hospital.
Jennifer, thank you for joining us today. Stay with us. We'll return after this break.